thank you very much, first of all. So, you have given me a huge amount of support that I really required to achieve this kind of a score, which was definitely not possible without the guidance that you had given to me. I would say the center has got a huge amount of study material, which is good enough for anyone to kind of push and pull mechanism that you have here, which is really required for anyone to excel more than they actually could without your support, is actually in a very appropriate amount. So you have been a constant. I would say you have been pushing me every single day. Inspiring me.
Uh, just
Was the one who was behind reading and listening part, and she was guided me on every single step that I was supposed to. For example, a small thing like you are supposed to use the capitals instead of small. I would have never known if she had not told me, right? And similarly for the other two, that is the writing part. Shobitsa has been the main impetus behind it, because he was constantly after me that you're not supposed to use the same vocabulary, you're not supposed to use wrong punctuation marks, you're supposed to link the paragraphs and the sentences. So all these small tidbits were simply because he guided me through the entire process. I was totally unaware of these things. If I had not joined the center, I would have not been able to know this, and I would have done n number of mistakes, and 7 was impossible for a person like me. Mera English literature is not my subject, right? But thanks to both of you, Shobit sir and Dolly ma'am, you have given a huge amount of support, and you have been, thank you so much. And I really highly recommend Super Achievers for all the people who want to achieve really high in the courses like IELTS and others. Thank you.